Habibi, come to Dubai.
24 karat gold. Years ko sa UAE, ngayon pala ako makakapasok sa 7-star hotel ng Dubai, Burj Al Arab. So we're here sa Burj Al Arab. Let's go, let's go. So, in order for you to get in here, kailangan mag-book online. So, pipili ka doon kung anong gusto mo option. This is the reception where you claim the ticket. At this point, ihatid naman tayo ng buggy towards to the main entrance ng Burj Al Arab. In this part, may stop over for a while for the mandatory picture taking with their professional photographers. Grabe itsura ko. Sobrang init sa labas.
Tout envolé, vet en time, vet en tutkan, habibi. Tout envolé, vet en time, vet en tutkan, habibi.
Yun ang elevator dito sa loob ng Burj Al Arab. Gold. Everything is gold. Welcome to the Royal Suite.
$40,000 US, and you get your own private butler and a chef as well. So
$40,000
for you, Mark,
per night.
you can stay for 1 week. I know. You are rich.
For free?
So $40,000.
$40,000
This room. This room.
Yes.
Where is the
Oh no.
bed?
Is this gold also?
Everything is gold.
No, I mean this one. Your suit.
Even my gold. Ikaw,
Yeah.
kamusta?
Good.
Mabuti?
Yeah.
Zaki? Uganda? Okay? Maganda. Okay.
Grabe, pawis ako dito sa loob ng Burj Al Arab. Kasi nagsayaw kami. So, ayan. Nagsayaw kami kanina.
ولا عمري جيت لك انت اللي جيتني انت نادتني شدتني لك وقلت اشترك لقيتك
So, ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa Gold Coffee. For the first time in my life, nakakatikim ako ng coffee na may 24 karat na gold.
Outside the ground floor. Not the lobby.
Thank you. Thank you. So, ayan, kumakain kami ng dates ng mga royal blood.
Ito yung coffee.
While naghihintay kami ng coffee namin with 24 karat na gold. We're here sa waiting area. Yan.
in our stomach or it's useful
The water is not gold.
to clean the gold. Yeah, it's 24 karat gold. It's fun. It's being in the sky.
So, ito na yung coffee with 24 karat gold. Look at that. So classy.
Talaga naiinom daw siya.
So classy.
Naiinom daw talaga.
Naiinom yan, tita. Huwag ka matakot. Gold nga siya, guys. Let's try my frappuccino.
Magkano ba? 2.9.
Pati yung lips ko naging gold. Kahit nasa Burj Al Arab tayo, guys. Hindi mawawala ang Sharon. Ayan. Meron tayong pa-Sharon, syempre.
Ito ang pasyaro ni Nicole sa birthday niya.
Diba? Tapos na tayo mag-tour. Tapos na tayo uminom ng gold coffee. Let's go. Sa labas ng Burj Al Arab. Yan, ang ganda ng sunset. Anong masabi mo, tita?
Ay, naku, ang saya. Ang saya-saya. Kita mo naman. Kita mo naman. Harap, harap. Yeah.
So, ayan, solo namin ng buggy.
Ayun na, videoin niyo yung mata.
Say hi, tita! Ayan, oh. Solo namin ng buggy. Pabalik na kami sa entrance.
Ayun.
So, ayan lang ang bisita ko for my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Si Berlin at saka si Medium Loud eh.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Happy returns of
How did you know? How did you know it's my
Just here now.
birthday? I just heard.
May paulit-ulit nyo lang sinabi.
Ang ganda na kaya nung... Ay, ang ganda. Parang burako. Lumera yan. Nagbuburako.
So, tapos na birthday, another year added.
Habibi, come to Dubai.